Hey, what's up, guys? Hope everyone's being safe. So, before you guys blast me for this, so the guy previous before me, obviously the radiator needed a new radiator, and finally today I have the new radiator that came in, and so this is what happens when you get a cracked radiator. It's cracked all along here, all along the seam, all along that metal seam. That's where the leaking's coming from. Fans are still good, thank God. But this whole thing's about to be changed and looking amazing. So I can't wait. But that's what happens. Shit goes all over the place. So I didn't want to clean it or anything until after I put the new one on, which I'm about to show you guys. And it gets all over the roof of the hood. And it's just disgusting. I did my oil change this morning, so everything's fresh. I am using new oil. I will show you guys that right now. I'm gonna do 2 separate videos so that you guys can see everything clearly. This is what I'm putting in now. Valvoline Racing Oil VR1 20W50, and it is running amazing. So it's something for you guys to check out if you want. It's between 30 to 40 bucks. Because my car only takes 5 quarts, so that's great. And here's the beast. Yes. So I didn't even unbox it yet because I was waiting to make a video for you guys. So here she is. And it's upside down, so we can take care of that right now. So here's the unboxing. I think it's very nice packaging, honestly. And this got here in 2 days, guys. About 2 days, pretty much. It's insane, right? I don't know if it came with lines or not. Oh, that's sweet. Ha! That's cool. That's cool. Got some nice packaging. Sweet. So shout out to Mishimoto for this. Thank you guys so much. And it's gonna, obviously I'm guaranteed it's gonna be great quality. So that's great. Ow. Oh, these things have metal on them. That's great. Oh, it looks so beautiful. Safe cardboard packaging. Oh my God, look at that fucking thing. Excuse my language. Oh, it's beautiful. It is beautiful, guys. Beautiful. Woo-hoo-hoo. Yes. Let's look at that. Oh, and it comes with a sick, very nice Mishimoto cap. So let me unbox this for you guys. Now the hoses I'm not going to be able to get till a different time. Hoses come separately, and they come with either red or like a nice blue, kind of like this color hosing. So anyways, guys, this is what you're supposed to be using for coolant for Asian. This is an Asian vehicle, so it tells you the whole list right here. Let me get this to focus for you guys. There you go. Mitsubishi 1990 and up. So it takes 8.5. I'm gonna be short 0.5. I'm not really worried about 0.5. That's not a big deal at all. So I have to drain the old one, but eventually I will get new hoses because I'll need it. But the nice thing is there's no issues with these hoses, so I can just put the whole new thing right back on again. So that's the end of this video now. And I will make another video once this one's drained off and I can put the new one on, and then I will do that. So just wait for the next video, guys. Please comment, like, and subscribe if you're new to the channel. Got any questions, check out my old videos. I put everything on the playlist for under the category of the 2000 Eclipse GT V6, and I am loving this thing. Oh, I also carbon fiber wrapped my door handles on both sides. I didn't do this one yet, and I want to do the trunk eventually too. So, but everything's looking great. I haven't washed the car today yet, so, but I'm going to be cleaning it up because it's disgusting. So I'm going to be cleaning that up. And eventually I'm going to take care of this and redo it. Or eventually, well, I obviously plan on turboing the car, so I'll be changing everything up. But anyways, I want to get started. So I'm excited. I've been waiting for this, so finally the car can run better. And it's running better with the oil already, the new oil. So, like I said, once again, please comment, like, and subscribe. Let me know what you think. Let me know what other videos maybe you guys want to see. Whatever you want to see, let me know. And you guys stay safe, and I will make another video soon when I'm done with this.